Lab has surged past the $12 mark, climbing to the 12th largest project globally by fully diluted valuation, FDV, according to CoinGecko data. The price movement is notable given the backdrop of serious accusations from the crypto community. The token is currently trading at $12.23, up 39.6% in a single trading session. This rise has pushed it ahead of Zcash, ZEC, and USDS in FDV rankings, a position that has drawn both investor interest and regulatory scrutiny. The surge has not gone unnoticed, with prominent venture capital figures, including Simon Dedek of Moonrock Capital, raising concerns about potential price manipulation and questionable exchange listings. Dedek has publicly labeled the project a laughably obvious scam, criticizing major exchanges like Gate.io, KuCoin, and BitGet for allegedly tolerating and even enabling the manipulation for short-term trading fee revenue. He has called out the lack of intervention from these platforms, suggesting serious lapses in due diligence processes. The situation raises concerns about the integrity of the market and the role of exchanges in facilitating potentially fraudulent activity. If these allegations hold, they could have broader implications for how market participants. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And regulators assess the legitimacy of new projects and listings. The FDV ranking is a key metric in crypto, as it represents the total value of a project if all tokens were issued today. Lab's rise to the 12th position means it is now among the most capitalized projects in the space. However, the rapidity of the price movement and the context of the accusations suggest a volatile and possibly speculative environment. This volatility could lead to sharp corrections if market sentiment shifts or if regulatory actions are taken. The next signal, too. Watch is whether the exchanges named in the allegations will respond publicly or take any formal steps to address the claims. Additionally, any regulatory inquiry into the project could significantly impact the token's price trajectory. For now, the market remains divided between those who see potential in Lab's growth and those who view the price movement with skepticism. The situation underscores the broader challenges in crypto markets around transparency, due diligence, and the role of exchanges in maintaining fair trading environments. The stakes are high for all involved, from retail investors to institutional players and regulators. If the allegations of manipulation are substantiated, it could lead to a broader loss of trust in the ecosystem and increased calls for stricter oversight. On the other hand, if the project can withstand scrutiny and prove its legitimacy, it may continue to gain traction and cement its position among the top projects. The mechanism driving this surge appears to involve a combination of speculative trading, limited token supply, and aggressive marketing or liquidity strategies. However, the lack of transparency surrounding the project's fundamentals and governance structure has fueled skepticism. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Investors are now watching closely for any signs of a regulatory response, a shift in market sentiment, or a decline in trading volume that could signal a cooling of the current rally. The situation is a reminder of the high-risk nature of the crypto market, where rapid price movements can be driven by a mix of genuine interest and speculative activity. As the debate unfolds, the broader industry will be watching to see how exchanges, investors, and regulators respond to these allegations, and what lessons can be drawn for future projects and listings.